Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the trim and extend command. So let's start. These are the examples on which we are going to apply the trim and extend so that we could have the deep dive of the command. Now let's start by reading the definition. The command will be in surface. Then you have to go to trim and extend. And as per the definition, it states that trims or extends a set of edges or faces to the intersection with another set of edges or faces. Basically, we are going to use the trim and extend command wherever there is an intersection between the set of faces or set of edges. So let's start. So we are going to have the basic understanding of the command first, then we are going to have the advancement of the command. So for that, I'm just going to hide these examples, this one and this one. Press home. Now just go to the trim and extend. Here we will get two options which are until selected and make corner. So first we are going to understand what is make corner. Make corner basically gives you a sharp corner at the intersection. Now let's start how. So first of all, I'm just going to have the target, this one, and the tool is going to be this one. So this is the first combination. So here in the desired result, we can also change to retain. So basically, I'm just going to use the retain because it is the easiest one to use the retain. Otherwise, you will get confused. So make sure that the desired results for the arrow side should be retained. Okay, now let's understand what is happening here. This is the first combination for the make corner. Like you can see, this is the upward arrow and this is the leftward arrow. So basically it is giving you the common region for this, like in this direction and in this direction. By utilizing these sheets, like you can see earlier they were full, but now it is utilizing this region only where the intersection is happening to the leftward of this and to the upward of this. So it will give you this area. This is the first combination. I will attach the screenshot here. So this is the first combination. Then this is going to be the second combination. This is going to be the third combination. And this is going to be the fourth combination. So in this way, we will get total 4 combinations for this. So basically why we have opt retain here. As you can see, it will be easier for us to decide the region. Otherwise, we will get confused. Like if I just go to delete, so we will get confused that which region is going to be get highlighted by the software with respect to these arrows. Okay, so make sure to use the retain because this arrow is going upward. That means upward region of the sheet and the rightward region of the sheet with the rightward arrow. So this is how we can use the trim and extend for making the corner. And then we have the surface extension shapes, like we have mirrored, natural curvatures, natural tangent. So these are the, some terms which are related to the extend sheet. If you have not watched my video on extend sheet, you can watch it. I will attach the link so that you can directly jump to understand these terms. So I'm just going to click on OK now. So this is how it will work. Now let's understand one more option. What is that? For that, I'm just going to have the edit with rollback. At last, you can see combine target and tool. That means it is going to sew them. So if I just click on this and click on this, so it will make the sheet to be get combined. Earlier, it was not combined and looks like this, yellow and red. You can see here. So this is how it is going to work. Combine means these sheets are going to be get combined, the tool and the target. Now let's hide this. Let's cover the second example, which is the edge extend. Now you can see here there is some gap. Earlier there was no gap. Let me just show you in this case. Earlier it was like this. So they were forming an intersection and we want to trim the unwanted area or unwanted sheets. However, in this case, there is some gap and we want to have the extension. At the same time, we want to have the trim of the green sheet. Let me just show you from the top like this because this is the extra area. Okay, so how we can do that? Just go to the trim and extend. And here again, I'm going to use the make corner But this time I'm just going to use this edge. Now select the face. This is the face, and then just click on OK. Now you can see this sheet has been extended. At the same time, the green sheet has been trimmed. So this is how it works simultaneously. Now you can see simultaneously it has performed the both operations of the trim as well as of extend. That's the reason it is said to be as trim and extend, because it is capable of performing both the operations at the same time. Like we have just seen on this example, it has extended the brown sheet. At the same time, it has trimmed the green sheet. So this is the speciality of this command. Now let's understand one more with the solid trim. So this is basically solid. Why I have chosen the solid here? Just to demonstrate that trim and extend could be applied on the solid bodies also. Here I'm just going to have the until selected, and this is the target, just selected, and this is going to be the tool, just select this edge. So it will give you the result like this. So it is all up to you that which direction do you want to choose to keep the body. You can also have the options of delete or retain. So I have already suggested you to keep it retained. So do not disturb this and then just click on OK. So this is how it is going to look like. It will trim the body from the bottom like this. So that is all regarding the trim and extend. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks so much.